Chicken and chips, chicken and chips, chicken and chicken, chicken and chip, chicken and chips, chicken and chips. I did not like the look of that German Shepherd then staring me down. I'm gonna get you, boy. Oh yeah. 2 chicken and chips. We ordered online, we did. I think so, yeah. It was 3 pieces of chicken and chips online. Online, yeah. Yeah.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Oh yeah, just put one on top then. That's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye. What's that? What make?
Mount.
Oh, mount.
I'm looking. I need one for mine. I do.
It's just a standard bike one.
Standard one.
As long as you have a rubber one, it shouldn't vibrate loose or anything.
Yeah,
It's actually not too bad.
I got the keys, so I think the kids are misplaced. I did have a clamp with it, but I don't know which one to find.
Yeah, cheap ones are fine. Even if you just buy them off eBay, it works.
Oh, you leave that on here.
No, decent. I did glue around it just to secure it, like, but yeah, I think about 4 or 5 quid. eBay, nothing. It costs nothing, like. Yeah. It's actually pretty cold this evening, fucking hell. Chilly on the old willy, chilly on the willy, chilly on the willy, chilly on the old willy, chilly on the willy, chilly willy. Oh no, I gotta flame my helmet. It's gonna go red. Nope, thank God for that. Come on, smoke machine. Hurry up. Oh, fucking hell, that scared me. Fucking hell. That was fucking close. I didn't realise that. Why the fuck were they kicking a ball in the middle of the road, like? On a busy street as well. Fucking mental. Oh, nice dead squirrel.